Hi, so why are you back?
Today I'm going to share an activity that I've organised for my children. It's going to be for after school, but I've got it prepared ahead of time. So the first thing I did was make 3 kinds of Play-Doh. It's the same recipe and I've made it before on my channel, but I've added, this is just plain, and I've added peppermint oil to make snowmen with. Then I made one with spirulina, so it's green, and I added pine because we're going to make Christmas trees. And then this one I added cocoa powder to make reindeers. And then the next thing I did was gather some bits and bobs for them to decorate their Play-Doh models with. So we've got from here, these are methi or fenugreek seeds, just because I thought they might look a bit like lights on the tree. I just thought they could be buttons as well for a snowman. Then I've got some cinnamon sticks that are massively out of date. And there's some cloves, which I thought would be really good for snowman, you know, the coal part. Raisins for something else, like buttons or something, I don't know, or a nose maybe. And then I've just got some cranberries left over from when I decorated this tree.
So I'll go itchy rabbit.
A what rabbit?
Itchy one.
Itchy rabbit.
Itchy no man.
What makes him itchy?
The box.
Oh, I see.
Teddy bear for his bed.
It's a reindeer, which I just used some currants, some black Play-Doh,
And I think this is a
cranberry,
yeah.
a currant, 2 currants, and
They're called cloves.
cloves, and some brown Play-Doh.
And some cinnamon sticks.
And some cinnamon sticks. And this is how it turned out.
So cute.
The snowman, which is kind of tilted, but this is its hat, the arms. I think the arms are just weighing him down. The nose, and then the eyes. A Christmas tree. I used the cinnamon sticks, cranberries, and green Play-Doh. This doesn't smell very nice.
I know the spirulina is stronger than the pine. So, what are those berries called, Ben?
Strawberries.
Cranberries, that's right.
Cranberries.
Cranberries.
So bye bye.